All right, so let's work on using the sum to product formulas here. So there's some times where we have an addition, we need to rewrite it as a multiplication. Sometimes it's a multiplication that needs to be changed to a sum. And we use the sum to product or the product to sum formulas in order to make that happen. So we're going to do two different examples here. First, we're going to take sine of 22 plus sine of 8. So using the appropriate formula here, we have a sum. We want to change this to a multiplication. We're going to plug into this formula to make that happen. Since we have a sine plus a sine, we are using the appropriate sum to product formula where we're taking sine x plus sine y. So 22 will be our x, 8 will be our y. Now in order to calculate this, it says this will be 2 times sine of x plus y, so that's 22 plus our 8 divided by 2 times cosine of x minus y over 2. So if we simplify our fractions here, this is 2 sine, let's see, 22 plus 8 is 30, and 30 divided by 2 is a 15, times cosine of 22 minus 8, which is what, a 14, and 14 divided by 2 is a 7 here. Now since 15 and 7 aren't our nice pretty angles here, we are going to leave this like this, 2 sine 15 cosine 7. We've taken a sum and we have changed it to a product here. Now we're going to do similar thing here for sine 5x minus sine 3x. So this one is a subtraction. So the appropriate formula for that, if you have a sine x minus a sine y, here what that's going to do here is this is going to be 2 sine x minus y over 2 cosine x plus y over 2. So the way that one is going to look, 2 times sine of our x, let's see, 5x minus 3x over a 2 times cosine of 5x plus 3x over a 2. So that when we simplify this, we get 2 sine, well, 5 minus 3 is a 2x. So we'll have 2x over 2 here times cosine of an 8x over a 2. Reducing these fractions real quickly here is going to give us 2 sine x cosine of 4x for our answer here. So we've taken this subtraction, changed it to this multiplication here.